Welcome. The tip for Phoenix that I will show you today is how to offset data in a plot like this. You can see here that I have plotted Cmax for each individual after an extravascular dose and also for IV bolus. The mean plus standard deviation is offset to the right of the data and the median is offset to the left. Let's get started. I will start with the output of an NCA that has already been executed where we have extravascular and IV bolus data for 5 subjects. I right-click the final parameters pivoted and I send it to X categorical XY plot. I first map the data. I want X to be the dose type and I will plot Cmax. I'm going to group by subject, so all the subjects would be in the same plot. I'll do a little bit of cleanup. I want my y-axis to start at 0, so I select to start axis at 0. We'll also select the graph and make the line visible. Each subject data is now connected by a line. We're going to overlay the mean and median by going to plot graphs and selecting to add 2 more mapping panels. This has opened now 3 mapping panels here. I select the second one and I'm going to drop the descriptive statistics output that I had already created. So this is descriptive stats on the Cmax variable for each dose type. My X is dose type again. And now I'm going to be overlaying the mean, and I will also overlay an upper and lower error bar, the standard deviation. In the third panel, I will map again the same descriptive statistics worksheet, select dose type for X, and this time I will select the median. I execute this plot, and now you will see that the data is all here, but it's all on top of each other. It's difficult to see. So the tip of today is to offset these. And to do that, you have to select the graphs on the bottom, find the one that is showing the mean, and select to offset. And then this offset to the right is in terms of pixels. So if I type 20 pixels, I will see that this goes maybe too far. Then I will change this number maybe for 10, and this looks good. For the median, I want to offset to the left, so I can put a negative 10 pixels. That offsets the data to the left. And just to finish up, we'll do a little bit of cleanup. We will make this marker a square and black. And we will rename these by pressing F2 and deleting this description for each of them. So now cleaning up the legend a little bit. So this is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this tip.